It's the Cobry Cafetiere of Cloud Knowledge. Oh yeah.
Reading through numbers on a spreadsheet or rows in a database of just raw, unfiltered, unprocessed, unvisualized data, that's completely useless to the majority of people.
It's quite a fundamental, powerful service to offer to somebody, is to take all that complexity and hard to process data and make it so digestible and accessible.
Having one place where every department and every user in the organization can go to query a data set is becoming more and more and more important as organizations grow. That's called data governance. So being able to kind of see top down exactly what department is using what data and where it's coming from and where it's being visualized. So Data Studio is just a BI data visualization piece of software. You connect it to a data source and you can make charts. That's all Data Studio is. With Looker, Looker is essentially a big product that sits on top of a data lake. And a data lake is essentially all the data that your organization gathers. So whether that's sales, whether that's marketing, whether that's analytics, whether that's finance, you bring this all into a centralized data lake and plonk Looker on top. What allows the end users to do, you and I, everyone in the organization will have access to Looker, and you'll have access to the company's data sources. And the important thing about Looker is it kind of centralizes everything and it makes sure that the definition of a certain metric or definition of a certain KPI stays consistent across the entire organization. What we do as partners is we create kind of like a workshop, a committee of data governance, and we kind of start probing areas of the business and we start kind of bringing people together to inform the centralized source of truth. And then stage 2 is the technical aspect. So that's when we actually deploy the Looker platform. And then stage number 3 is what we do our best, is change management. So it's about training everyone, saying, hey, don't go off and use Power BI, don't go off and use Data Studio. You've got the one place where all your data sits and it's easy to use. Go there if you want to start asking questions about your data.